We're gonna make homemade cough drops with some lemon, some ginger and honey, and cinnamon. We'll see how it turns out. We're gonna cut the lemon in half and do about 2 tablespoons.
This is a juicy one.
There you go.
There's some seeds in there.
That's okay.
Wait.
We'll pick them out. Okay, now we got all the seeds almost out, except one runaway. There we go. Okay, next, we're gonna grate some fresh ginger. Kinsley's cold. I'm coming. All right, we're back. We snuggled Kinsley up with a blanket. Now, we're gonna grate some ginger with the smallest holes. What do you think? You wanna smell it? No. Okay. Save that for the compost or our worm bed. What, Kinsley? You burped. Excuse you. Okay, so we got this all peeled. I'm gonna rinse it. Be very careful. Not the knife, bud.
See, it's not doing anything.
Let me try. Let's try the Ninja. We're gonna grind it in the Ninja. I think that's gonna work.
I must have some of it out.
About 2 tablespoons. You want?
Yay! A lot.
You did get a lot.
No.
Okay, I'll put the knife over here.
It's spicy. Yeah.
Okay. Next, we are going to do 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. You want to do it?
Mm-hmm.
Perfect. Now go wash your hands. Can't lick your fingers in the kitchen. Now we're going to do a 1/2 cup of honey. We got organic, raw, wildflower honey, local honey. I'm making cough drops.
Are we cooking the honey?
Now we're gonna put in a 1/2 cup of honey. Raw, organic, local honey.
Do you need it organic? Or can you just use regular honey?
No, you want local honey because it's gonna help your allergies.
More?
Mm-hmm. Grayson, you're doing such a good job over here.
Oh!
Oh, uh-oh. I'll get it for you. Good job, Emery.
Done.
We got the cinnamon, ginger, honey, lemon. Next. Okay, you want to whisk it? And then we'll put it on the stove.
Why does it look like fish?
The ginger does look like tuna fish. Gross. You want to put it on the stove and stir?
I want it to boil.
We're going to let the bubbles come down for a minute. Bring it back. Okay, we're going to bring it down. I think this ginger is going to be in here chunky in the cough drops. Oh no. You're going to repeat this process about 4 to 5 times until all the liquid's gone.
Good.
I bet this would be good for tummy aches too, because ginger really is good for stomach aches. Okay, actually I think this is a good consistency. It's real caramely. Except for the chunks of ginger. I don't like those chunks of ginger in here. I need to take this off the heat.
Oh my god.
Smells like burnt marshmallows. So here it is.
Mine are prettier than yours.
Yours are beautiful. Way prettier.
Kind of burnt.
It tastes kind of burnt. Maybe we cooked it too many times. Look at this.
Harry.
Harry the hairball. One time when Emery was little, like 2 or 3, she had a pet hairball and she would not let me throw it away. She would hide it in the windowsill behind the curtain.
I had like 5 of them.
So disgusting.
I had 5 of them I didn't tell you about.
I know, you had a bunch. And then finally when I was cleaning the window seals, I found it. And I think she forgot about it. Because I threw it away.
And I did get out of the trash again.
I think she saw it. Yeah, I think you did. Alright. Let's see what this tastes like.
It tastes kind of burnt.
Mm-hmm. It tastes like a cough drop. It's good.
I know it's good, but burnt.
Not too burnt. It's sour. It's sticky. Sticky.
Boom.
Sticky, icky, bubble gum. Grayson, you want to see it? You want to see what we made? You want to see? We made cough drops. Oh, we forgot an ingredient. Okay, now a little bit for the unhealthy parts. Make these cough drops taste a little less burnt. A little good, a little better. Oh crap, that came out fast.
You said this is a healthy thing.
Okay, we're gonna add a little bit. Yeah,
Have a look at it.
you wanna taste it?
It's caramel.
There we go. Cough drops.
It would be good if you.
So you wanna come look at our cough drops? We're starting to make. Oh,
Can I have a lick of
sure.
that sugar?
Hey, that is sugar. And taste some of the powdered sugar. What do you think?
No. Can I?
You have to wait 5 minutes to let them cool, and then they're ready. Peel them and put them in the airtight container.
Look at mine. Ew.
Yum.
Ew. Look. Look.
Okay, no more sugar, but these are our cough drops. Mine weren't the prettiest, so I re-rolled them. Here's our cough drops.